Hi students, how are you all? So today we are going to discuss some important topics from the lesson 10 Blanket of the Earth. In the previous class we discussed some topics. I hope that all of you understood all these topics. So let's begin with the new topics. First one, atmosphere as a greenhouse. Second one, greenhouse gas effect. Third one, sources of greenhouse gases. Fourth one, global warming. Fifth one, Kyoto Protocol. Sixth one, ozone as an umbrella for the earth. Seventh one, ozone formation. And eighth one, ozone hole. So let's begin. Atmosphere as a greenhouse. Some of the atmospheric gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, water vapor absorb the terrestrial radiation and retain the temperature in the atmosphere. Glass panes are constructed in buildings to check the terrestrial radiation. It has the capacity to allow insulation and the temperature is maintained within the building without fall. This temperature is used for the growth of plants. This phenomenon is known as greenhouse effect and such buildings are called greenhouses. Then we are going to discuss the important sources of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases enter the atmosphere by natural means such as volcanic interventions, decay of biological matter, as well as through human activities such as deforestation, burning of fossil fuels, etc. Then, what is global warming? The increase in temperature in the atmosphere due to greenhouse gases are known as global warming. What is Kyoto Protocol? An international treaty that commits states to reduce greenhouse gases. The Kyoto Protocol was adopted on 11 December 1997. Owing to a complex ratification process, it entered into force on 16 February 2005. Currently, there are 192 parties to the Kyoto Protocol. In short, the Kyoto Protocol operationalizes the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change by committing industrialized countries and economies in transition to limit and reduce greenhouse gases. Let's have a look at ozone hole and ozone layer depletion. Ozone is a gas that present in the form of layer in stratosphere. It is 20 to 30 km above from the earth. It absorbs most of the harmful ultraviolet radiation. It is the friend of earth because it shields most of the UV radiation and does not allow them to pass earth. In 1970, it was discovered that man-made ozone depleting substances such as chlorofluorocarbons, hydrochlorofluorocarbons and methyl bromide destroy the ozone molecule in stratosphere. There is a variety of applications of CFCs such as propellant in aerosol spray, manufacturing of plastic, cleanser of electronic equipment. These chemicals forms hole in ozone layer and this is known as ozone layer depletion. Then what is the Monreal Protocol? The Monreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer is the landmark multilateral environmental agreement that regulates the production and consumption of nearly 100 man-made chemicals referred to as ozone depleting substances. When released to the atmosphere, those chemicals damage the stratospheric ozone layer Earth's protective shield that protects human and the environment from harmful levels of ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Adopted on 15 September 1987, the protocol is to date the only UN treaty ever that has been ratified every country on Earth. So students, in this class we discussed some important topics from the lesson 10, Blanket of the Earth. First topic, atmosphere as a greenhouse. Then greenhouse gas effect. Third one, sources of greenhouse gases. Fourth one, global warming. Fifth one, Kyoto Protocol. Sixth one, ozone as an umbrella for the earth. Seventh one, ozone formation. Eighth one, ozone hole. And ninth one, Monreal Protocol. Hope that all of you understood all these topics. So you can use the text after watching this video. And let's continue in the next session. So thank you all.